Good morning.
Good morning.
We just got breakfast. I got waffles and Perry got sakura flavored cake. And I got hot milk and orange juice. So taste it, Perry. How is it? All the waffles I think are just normal waffles with chocolate sauce. That.
Looks like green tea sponge cake. Oishi.
美味しいですか?
It's good.
Really good.
Well, I like it.
Yeah. You should try it. Do you want a spoon?
Okay.
A fork, actually. Is that really good?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad at all.
It tastes like
Right?
a bit like cherry. No, not cherry, like sour cherry. Like amarena. Back flavor, like aftertaste. And yeah, just sponge cake.
Yep.
Yeah, we just wanted to show you our breakfast. And later we're gonna get on the train to to Kyoto.
Yep.
Keep getting that wrong. So I'll see you later. Bye.
What are you doing here?
I'm eating a caramel popcorn.
Okay.
I couldn't resist.
Very good. Show the brown.
They're so good. Oh my god, they're amazing. And they're all, because sometimes the caramel popcorn is like white and some of it is covered in caramel, but these are all covered in
Are they
caramel.
better than the ones in Disneyland?
Yeah. We just got on the train for Kyoto and Perry got one of the, what are they called?
Ebiken.
Yeah.
It's Ebiken. It's like the bento box from the train station, or as the Greeks know, Tomemu to stuff. The station menu is from a Greek anime, not Greek, Japanese anime that he used to air in Greek television, called Kabamaru, and he used to love this. Look at this.
It's so cute.
Tiganites carboides. So cool.
So what's in there? Rice, and then like tempura shrimp, some egg, some like meatball looking thing, and ginger, noodles underneath, salad. Oh, it's adorable.
It's a bento box.
Oh, are you happy?
Super.
Awesome.
Tiganites carboides.
Is it good?
Kadvik soro Kabamaru.
Stop speaking Greek. No one understands.
Everyone understands.
This is my lunch, by the way.
This
I'm
lunch.
eating chocolate and a New York style bagel. I think it has like raisins in it. I'm not sure.
Parsnip. I think this must be like part of what is in
Turnip?
the turnip, yeah. I think so at least.
As long as it's good.
Yeah, I think it's this.
That's the meatball.
That's super good. That's something like teriyaki.
Teriyaki.
A flavor.
We're on the metro now to go to, what's it called?
Arashiyama.
Oh, Arashiyama, the bamboo grove. And our train was actually delayed. Oh, that's supposed to never happen in Japan. But our train was delayed, so we missed our train to Kyoto. So we got in a little later and decided to leave our luggage in a coin locker and go straight to the bamboo grove. Hopefully it's good. I think we have entered the forest. There's a lot of bamboo and there are loads of people actually. And it's super hot outside, but in here it's not that bad. So we just walked in to Tenryu-ji temple, and yes, I was reading that. and it's right by the bamboo grove, and it actually looks huge. I thought it would just be a little temple, but like this is a map they gave us, so it looks rather large. I'm excited to explore. I mean, the gardens look amazing already, and we haven't even gone into them. So I can only imagine what they'll look like later on. Oh, look at this pink flower. So pretty. So we just walked down and found this amazing place. There's a little bridge and then like a corridor, and then here there's like a whole tatami area, which is super pretty. And then the garden, the lake. It's so beautiful. This is so stunning. What do you think?
Amazing.
It's gorgeous. I'm so happy we came. Do you see that fish in the water? Huge! Here you can see some of the fish in this little lake, and they're really big. They're probably so old, no?
Or probably the tourists overfeed them.
No, I think these like grow to be quite old, don't they?
Not really sure.
Aren't they like koi fish?
Yep. At least I think so.
Yeah, we're no fish experts. Let's put it that way. Aww, little fishy fishies.
Little? Not really.
And I don't know why. Here they always call them fishes of Japan.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one, how big?
Oh my god, this one's humongous. This is like the Loch Ness monster of the Japanese lakes. Oh no, it went out of focus. So large, my camera couldn't focus. We just left the temple, and you just walk into the bamboo grove. And it's amazing because there's a lot less people. It's all in the shade. It's not hot and sticky. So beautiful. We're on our way to Monkey Park, and we came across this river with boats. And it's so beautiful. I don't know if Perry and I are gonna rent a boat because we have a bad history of boats. we went kayaking once.
Yeah.
In Puerto Rico.
It was quite a bad experience.
Yeah, it was a bad experience. And then we tried again in France in the summer, and that went better because we had to redeem ourselves. But yeah, I don't know if we're gonna do it because I know there's a uphill battle to get to Monkey Hill, so well, Monkey Park.
Yeah. Third time is a charm, don't they say?
Yeah, that is true. We might do it later then if we have time. So we ended up deciding to get the boat.
Not a very clever idea.
And we haven't even left the dock yet, and we're already having some trouble. Come on, Perry, I have faith in you. You can do this. And we're, oh my god.
Maybe it's not a very good idea. These are not very good. No, not for you now.
It's fine. We're not gonna sink. Everyone else is going. We'll just go. We'll take it slow. Don't worry. And we chose the boat because otherwise we have to walk all the way down, cross the bridge, and walk all the way back. So we thought by taking the boat, we could just half our time. But we'll see. Oh my god, we're gonna crash. Thank god they're better drivers.
Not really.
Come on, you're doing great.
Are you mocking me or something?
No, you actually are doing. Oh, my Coke is gonna spill. This is nectar.
I don't feel it.
It's beautiful. So we just got our tickets to Monkey Park, and oh my god, it begins. And basically she said it's a 20-minute walk, and I'll show you the walk.
Not very
It's rather steep, and to be honest,
It's like
I have like foot pain because we walked so much and these shoes are not great, so it's gonna be interesting. So yeah, probably gonna die and run out of breath, but hey, hopefully it's worth it.
monkey breed number 2.
As an excuse for a pit stop, there are these monkey quizzes you can do. When is the childbearing season of Japanese macaque? How the hell am I supposed to know?
Guess.
Spring or winter?
You have to choose one.
I don't know. Winter.
Winter?
Go.
In the cold, I would say spring.
Ah, shit.
Yeah!
How long is the average life expectancy of Japanese macaque? About 10 years.
Only?
I don't know.
They're closer to humans.
I got all right in the previous one. Should have filmed that one.
I'll say 20.
What?
30! I should have been...
Wait, what does it say? 10 years are needed for them to become adult. Why do the face and bottom of Japanese macaque look red? Maybe they're irritated.
Because they feel where the blood is seen through. Because they feel ashamed.
Well, obviously number 2. Come on.
Yep. That was an easy one.
Oh, the quiz is finished. I have to
eat?
continue up. Ooh.
Who's there?
We just saw our first monkey.
There are more.
I can't see anything.
There's one there.
Yeah, he's going. Now I can see it.
Malaka. Macaca.
And we're not even at the place where there are monkeys yet. And what? Oh, I'm dying. Okay, let's keep going.
Slow.
We have arrived and you can see loads of monkeys. So we're getting angry because they want to be fed. Okay, let's walk up. Oh, it kind of stinks, to be honest. This one's just chilling over there. Ooh, this one's on the move. They're on the move. The view from up here is pretty cool. Oh, there's quite a lot. This one stole some banana. There's a monkey drinking. The kid is scared, rightfully so. I actually have kind of a bad experience with monkeys. So when I went to Mexico, oh my god, you're crazy. Harry just put this branch on my foot. I thought it was a monkey. So when I went to Mexico, I went to Tulum, and there were monkeys on the temples, and they were throwing stones. I mean actual stones. So they were throwing stones and feces at us while we were walking in the pathway to get to the ruins. And then when we went in Tanzania, on our honeymoon actually, there were these huge baboons, and we just sat there for a picnic, and they just started, oh my god, they were so scary. They were huge, and they just started stealing food from people and running, and like they bite. They're scary. And the people there were throwing like huge rocks to scare them. That would not be legal in any other country in the world, I think. But I mean, they weren't throwing them at the baboons, they were throwing next to them to scare them. They were really threatening. So yeah, I don't have a very good like experience and past with monkeys, but these seem fairly nice.
I guess until they see some food.
Yeah, the others were kind of freaking me out, to be honest. Yeah, just...
Should I pretend I'm taking something out of my bag?
No, no, please don't. Why would you do that? This is like an enclosed area where for once the humans are in the cage and the monkeys are free, and you get to feed the monkeys who will gladly take your food. Oh god, there's a tiny one over there. Oh wow. Thanks for the view.
これすげえ綺麗な。ゼロもそれよ。
They're playing, I guess.
失敗です。
Oh my god, it's kawaii. 手かわいいねみたいな。何これ。やばい。かわいい。
ほら、顔向くよ。ほら。
よくお皿遊びがてらこういうふうに自分の足乗せたりとかしてることある。あそこのおちびちゃんたちでから兄弟ですね。お兄ちゃんと弟で。
なんでわかるんですか？
僕らですね、全部顔で話を覚えてましてね。はい、ただですね、僕らみたいにですね、例えば太郎とか花子とかそういう風についてるわけじゃなくて、お父さんがクーパーっていうんですね。はい。で、クーパーっていうのは、クーパーの13と12という名前なんですね。はい。これはですね、西暦の2013年生まれと2012年生まれの
We are now leaving Monkey Park and it was amazing. I loved it. I loved the boat ride. I loved the bamboo grove. I basically loved everything about it and I'm super happy we came even though my feet are killing. I'm in so much pain. But it was so worth it. It was amazing. Agree?
Agreed. It was really good.
Some people say like, oh, if you don't have time, don't do it. It's not that big of a deal. But I think it was really amazing. And the view of Kyoto is insane. It's incredible. It's a must. Bye! Oh my god, there's a slide. Why is this only for children? This slide, well obviously my ass will not fit in here, but there's a slide that goes all the way to the bottom and instead us boring adults have to take the path. This is what I call unfair. Okay, so some other people thought the slide was a good idea, but obviously they don't really fit in it. And then you get to the bottom and there's this like zip line thing and it says only child. I mean, is that unfair or what?
Maybe this is for the only child of the owner.
No, Perry. Oh my god, this guy basically almost fits. Yay! So we're going back. Well, back. We actually have never been to the hotel yet. So we're going back to the station, getting our luggage, going to the hotel, and we're now crossing this bridge. There's beautiful. The view is incredible. And the sun is setting over there. So yeah, we're gonna go back now. We just ordered dinner.
Oh my god, so good.
And Perry got this like ramen soup with a floating shrimp. And apparently it's really good. Mine still has to arrive.
Why are you videoing me while I'm eating?
You're beautiful. Slurping like a true Japanese.
Oh my god, this is divine!
I'm glad you like it.
I actually think I'm gonna be eating ramen every day now. Oh my god, this is amazing!
So this is what I ordered and it ended up being huge. It's pork cutlet, I think, with rice, and then the noodles, and then this cool thing that I think I have to like smash myself, and that Perry's gonna eat. Yum!
So Ada, what are you doing?
Well, the guy just explained that I have to rotate and
What is that?
sesame seeds.
Yep.
And make these like a little.
Don't you have to tell them first what your disappointment is?
Oh yeah, I'm so disappointed. My noodles are like freezing cold.
So they look like udon, noodles.
Okay, whatever they are. Like I wanted them warm and I was like so excited because I was like, oh yeah, they have something plain. Like it's amazing for me. And then they are actually like I just took them out of the freezer. So yeah. And then pour this in.